Hello and welcome back to another video. How to save taxes? I'm sure you must have this question that how you can actually save taxes legally and what are the things that you can do or what are the tips or tricks that you can actually implement in your paycheck in your life so that you can actually save taxes legally. So I've divided this video into two sections. First one is for lower class people and middle class people, and second one is for rich people. So there is a different approach for both of the categories of people and how they actually save their taxes and how you can actually save your taxes. So let's get started. My name is Arun Sharma and I'm a business consultant. For lower class and middle class people, there are multiple investment options that you can actually invest your taxed money. So money, the percentage of money that is actually taxed by government, so you can actually invest that money in a different areas. So I'm going to list down all the areas and I'm going to also tell you that how you can actually do that. First one is fixed deposit. So you can actually deposit your money for a fixed period of time, for a limited period of time, for example 5 years, 3 years or 10 years, into the bank account, into the bank, public bank. It has to be public bank because it is actually easier for government to recognize and also to recheck or confirm, just in case if they want to do that, because eventually you have to bring the document that you have deposited this much of money into the bank for limited period of time, for this much period of time. So you need tax relaxation on this much of money, so you get it. So second one is shares. So if you buy shares in public companies, some of the best companies or the big companies, you actually get tax relaxation on that money that you invest. So which is also a good option for you if you want to save some taxes. Third one is mutual fund. So there are multiple companies, there are private companies as well, there are public companies as well, there are government companies as well in mutual funds. So if you buy mutual fund from government companies, you actually get the same benefit and you are eventually increasing your wealth as well, because you are investing in mutual funds. Same goes to the shares as well, and you are also getting plus money, I mean interest, in the end of the day when you are withdrawing the money back. So third one is government bond. So government bond is actually good. You can buy government bonds from the government itself and you are actually getting interest as well, and you invest. Government bond is simply something which you are giving money to the government as a loan so that they can utilize that money, and you have given it for some limited period of time. For example, 1 year government bond, 2 years government bond, 5 years, 10 years. Basically, if I tell you, US bonds are more stable, US and German bonds are more stable because the inflation is very low in these countries, so that is why the bonds are very stable. For example, in India inflation has crossed 4%. So you can actually imagine the risk is higher, but still the economy and the GDP is growing faster than those countries, so you can expect to grow your money than in other countries. So the another option is life insurance. So if you take insurance from any company, but you have, it has to be listed or it has to be certified by the government so that they can actually accept that you have actually taken some life insurance or some insurance, for health insurance, life insurance, whatever it is, life cover. So you actually get tax relaxation when you buy all of these policies, government policies. And for yourself, for your wife, for your children, you actually get tax relaxations when you invest money in these things. So there are multiple other options as well. For example, if you take a loan, you also get tax relaxation, but you do not have to do that, right? So this is the section just particularly for the middle class and lower class people. So if you belong to this category, you can invest in these things and you can actually get the tax relaxation. But what will happen if you are a rich people? You cannot actually invest that much money in all of these things, right? And if you are a company, most of the time the corporates or the rich people are owner of the company. So there is a really good advantage these rich people have is they can actually get, I mean, companies actually pay taxes after their expenses. So they expend they spend everything, they leftover, they pay taxes from the leftover. And for individual, it is you have to pay the taxes first, then you spend whatever is left. So this is how the fundamental works. So what actually these companies are doing, for example, a company makes around $10 billion a year. So company has to deal or go through multiple stages to save taxes, because saving taxes is not that easy. So what actually companies are doing, they are going to invest that money, or maybe start a company in a different location, remote location, or an island, where they can actually where there is no taxes or less taxes, and they can eventually transfer the money to that particular branch by saying that we are paying royalty to that branch or the company, because now the money has been transferred to another country, and they do not have to pay taxes on that, and they can simply mention in the balance sheet that they have spent or they have paid royalty to the company, so they do not have to pay that much tax on that money, because they are simply paying the royalty. And after paying royalty and after paying every expenses, electricity, salaries, employee charges, incentives and everything, then companies actually pay taxes. This is the best benefit these companies have. So this is how big companies, big corporates save their taxes. They make a company outside the country, they transfer the money by saying that they are paying royalty to the companies, and in the end they just pay less taxes. And I will explain in the another video what actually they do, what the transferred money, because that money in the remote island or location is not going to increase, or it's not going to grow, so they have to do something with that money. So I will explain in a different video. So this is just for the investment and how you can save taxes. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon as well. And i I want you to share this video as much as possible, and do let your friends, your colleagues, if they are working, to let them know how they can save taxes. So thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and keep learning.